Yeah, is it?
Interesting.
This is
Interesting.
Oh, wait, you're hurting already.
Oh no! Hey, buddy, you have beautiful eyes.
Oh, thanks.
You're beautiful! Does it not kill me?
Look, it's what you knew then, Mark.
I
isn't
knew
it?
that. Yes, it is what I knew.
Can I have just the empty box when you guys are
No!
done? Oh, okay.
No, we're busy.
The adults are shooting.
Oh, 2 and 2. I can tell by the gray hues.
All right, pal. Let me
You
just.
pass one of those my way.
Nah, man. Because
I wouldn't help. It wouldn't help.
This is what it's all about. Playing the odds. Listen, Bob, you don't need to do anything. You just sit there and just box.
Guys, I
Oh.
would really. Oh,
Hey, wait, I'm
Well,
like you.
fuck,
I
a
didn't
beer.
get a box.
except you're alive and happy.
All right, pal. Are
Mark,
you ready? Yeah. Hey, listen.
Just hit with the old.
Hey, listen.
Hey,
Hit me.
if I could have skipped Wade, I done would've.
Wait, now's your chance. Now, spring on him and shoot him like we planned. Go!
I can't move my body.
No, move. No, you gotta move your body. Move the body. Move.
Mark, if you've been.